Before you commence the tool setting, you must set aside all the tools and equipments you will require for the machining of the component. The CNC lathe has a rotating turret mounted on the carriage. The tool capacity for CNC lathe machines varies from machine to machine. Small CNC lathe machines normally come with a tool turret capacity of 4 or 8 tool stations. Here, we have used an 8-tool holding turret that holds both square and cylindrical shanks. Begin by fixing the square-shanked tools in the turret slot. Use the taper sleeve tool tightening arrangement for square-shanked tools. The taper sleeve moves and the tightening grip increases or decreases accordingly. Use the Allen screws to clamp the shanked tool. This shanked tool has an outer diameter or facing carbide tip. Tighten the Allen screws using the Allen key and ensure the tool is properly clamped. Bring the empty turret slot towards you and go on to load the taper shanked twist drill. In order to facilitate fixing, insert the sleeve matching the taper of the drill into the block. Go on to fix the taper shanked twist drill in the sleeve. It will automatically take the position. Tighten it and ensure it is firmly held. Similarly, mount the rest of the required tools. The turret is now loaded with all the tools. The lathe machine has a number assigned to each slot, so pay careful attention to where you place each so you can note the information on the tool screen. Once the program verifies the position of each tool, the operation will be put in action without the need of tedious manual adjustments. The secret of this rotating turret is that when the operation with the first turning tool is completed, the turret is indexed to bring the next specialized tool into play. The part is then machined again without having to change the tool. An infinite number of customized turning operations can be performed on a single object.